浸大一直致力開拓創新藝術科技 ArtTech 嘅發展同埋應用。今次項目唔單止為香港 ArtTech 發展開創先河，亦都係全球首個構建下一代互動沉浸式體驗嘅綜合系統。
呢次我哋好高興咧，浸會大學同埋香港政府一齊啦，佢哋合作將呢一個咁新穎嘅創新嘅旅客體驗咧帶出嚟喺呢個機場。
Here they can fly virtually to 8 Asian countries and visit cultural heritage sites, and they can experience these sites in 360-degree 3D panoramic environment. All this unique material was done over a period of 4 years. We visited all these countries and we took hundreds of panoramic 3D photographs with very special equipment and also panoramic video.
旅客嚟到香港機場咧，唔係只係過路咁簡單，令到佢可以同埋佢嘅朋友啊、佢嘅屋企人一齊有一個美好嘅回憶，有一個創新嘅體驗。